All right, so BlackRock and Bitcoin, huh? Everyone wants to know what's going on, so let's dive in. We're talking BlackRock getting into Bitcoin options, and believe me, this is a big deal.
Big, yeah, no doubt. It's been a long time coming, if you ask me.
Okay, so imagine, right, you get to call dibs on buying Bitcoin, say, next month, but at today's price. Doesn't matter if Bitcoin doubles, triples, tanks,
Bruh.
you're locked in at today's price.
Powerful stuff.
That's the power of options. You've got the option to buy, but not the obligation, and you know the price ahead of time.
Exactly. But, and here's where it gets interesting, these aren't just any options. This is BlackRock, so they're doing things a little differently.
Okay, I'm intrigued. How so?
These options are tied to their iShares Bitcoin Trust, the IBIT, and get this, they're physically settled.
Physically settled. All right, I think we need to pause there for a second. What does that even mean?
Good point. It's a crucial detail. What it means is when someone exercises one of these contracts, actual Bitcoin changes hands, not just cash being settled based on the price difference. Actual Bitcoin is moving.
So instead of just shuffling numbers on a screen, we're talking about real Bitcoin moving from one place to another.
Exactly. It means BlackRock's IBIT, that trust, needs to have the actual Bitcoin to back those options contracts. This isn't just theoretical anymore. It's a whole different ballgame.
Wow. Okay, so what you're saying is this is a huge GE signal to the market.
Huge. BlackRock isn't messing around. They're not dipping a toe in the water. They are diving in headfirst. This isn't some speculative side bet. This is a strategic move, and we're just starting to see how big this could be.
And speaking of strategy, I hear BlackRock chose American-style options for this. What's the thinking there?
Ah, yes. That's a story in itself. It tells us a lot about how BlackRock sees the crypto market, the opportunities, the risks. We'll definitely want to unpack that.
Okay, you've got me completely hooked now.
Ah.
American-style options. Lay it on me. What's the big deal?
All right, so think of it this way. With these American-style options, you've got freedom, right? You can exercise your contract whenever you want before that expiration date rolls around. You're not waiting till the last minute.
So it's all about flexibility.
Exactly. Timing is everything, especially in the wild world of crypto. It's like riding a roller coaster. And with these options, BlackRock is saying, hey, you can hop off whenever you're ready.
Okay, I like the roller coaster analogy, but why is that so crucial in the crypto market? Things are moving a mile a minute there.
You're telling me that's exactly why BlackRock made this choice. They're not dummies. They know this market can flip on a dime. American-style options, they give investors, especially those big players, the agility to jump on those sudden price swings.
It's all about being nimble, being able to react quickly.
Exactly. It's all about managing risk, don't get me wrong, but it's also about seizing the opportunity when you see it. BlackRock is handing investors tools they've never had before in the crypto space. This is a game changer.
BlackRock's playing chess while everyone else is playing checkers.
Yeah.
But hold on a second. Didn't they need the okay from other regulators before they could actually launch these options? Didn't the SEC have to sign off on it?
Right. So the SEC, they gave the initial thumbs up. Yeah, that was big news. But this isn't a done deal quite yet. They still need the green light from the OCC and the CFTC.
Okay, so what are those again? Refresh my memory.
Oh, right. The OCC, that's the Office of the Controller of the Currency, and the CFTC, that's the Commodity Futures Trading Commission.
Ah, right. The financial heavy hitters. Okay, so those guys are still looking it over. What are they looking at? What's the big holdup?
It's all about legitimacy, bringing crypto in from the cold, you know? See, these regulatory hurdles, they're not just bureaucratic hoops to jump through. They show that BlackRock's Bitcoin options, they're being held to the same standard as any other financial product out there.
So it's a sign that regulators are finally taking Bitcoin and the whole crypto market seriously.
That's exactly what it is. This isn't some Wild West anymore. This kind of regulatory oversight, it's crucial if we want wider adoption.
Makes sense. People are more likely to jump in if they know there are some rules, some guardrails in place.
Exactly. This is about building credibility, building a sense of security in the whole ecosystem. This move tells big investors, institutional investors, that crypto is becoming more mature, more regulated.
This is huge. This isn't just about some new investment product. This is about legitimacy and changing the whole perception of crypto.
You got it. And wait till you hear this. Because BlackRock, they're not stopping at just Bitcoin.
Okay, you can't just drop a bombshell like that and not tell me more. What else is up BlackRock's sleeve?
Ethereum.
Ethereum, you mean?
Yep, the one and only Ethereum. Second biggest crypto on the block. BlackRock's filed to list options for their Ethereum trust too.
Whoa. So they're not just betting on Bitcoin then, are they? They're going all in on crypto, it seems like.
Bingo. They see the potential not just in one coin, but in the whole ecosystem, and frankly, that's really significant.
I have to admit, this is pretty mind-blowing stuff, but let's bring it back down to earth for a second. What does this mean for the average person? Someone's listening to us right now thinking, okay, that's interesting, but how does BlackRock messing around with crypto options actually affect me?
That's the million-dollar question right there. And here's the thing. It all comes down to legitimacy.
Legitimacy.
Exactly. Think about it. When a financial heavyweight like BlackRock, and we're talking heavyweight here, when they make a move like this, people notice.
Right. It's like a seal of approval from the people who control all the money.
Exactly. Suddenly, crypto isn't this risky, speculative thing on the fringes anymore. It's a legitimate investment strategy.
So you're saying that this move could actually make crypto more accessible to everyone?
You got it. New investment tools, more options literally for managing your money in this new landscape. This could be huge for everyday investors. And even bigger picture, this is about the merging of traditional finance and this new world of digital assets.
We're talking a whole new financial system.
Potentially. And BlackRock is leading the charge. This move, it's not just about Bitcoin. It's about the future of finance.
So what you're saying is buckle up, because things are about to get really interesting.
You said it. I'm excited to see what they come up with next, and you should be too.
That's something to think about. The future of finance is being written right before our very eyes. Thanks for joining us for this incredible deep dive. This BlackRock move is a game changer, and we'll be here to keep you updated every step of the way.